how much performance difference between inline function and normal function calls. Let's understand with this an example. So here we have calculate time function, which is a normal function and which will calculate the execution type of this block, and which is a function type, and we will provide the function or lambda expression to this function as a parameter. And this calculate time function will calculate the execution type of this block and print that time in millisecond in the logs. And same thing we are doing for an inline function. So here we have calculate time inline function, which have inline keyword in start. So this will be an inline function, and we are also doing the same thing, calculate the execution time and print the time in milliseconds in the logs. So here we call these functions. So calculate time normal function, and in this we are calculating the sum from 1 to 1 million. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 and up to 1 billion, and printing in the log the sum calculated through a normal function. And same thing we are doing for an inline function call, and here we are doing calculating the sum and printing in the log sum calculated through inline function call. So if we run the program, we will observe that this normal function execution time take 5 milliseconds, and the inline function call also take 5 milliseconds. So if we run the program again, we will observe a minor difference that this inline function call take 4 milliseconds, which is at some extent faster than the normal function call. So to see a bigger time difference between these two calls, we need to increase the complexity of this code block, or increase the complexity of the calculation. So for that, what we will do is we will wrap this 1 to 1 million sum calculation with a for loop, and this loop will run 1000 times. So what will happen is this calculation will be done 1000 times, and then we are printing this message. And the same thing we are doing for this calculate time inline function call. So at this point, if we run the program, then we will observe here still we are observing only a minor difference. And if we run the program again, then we will at some points we will observe that there is a significant difference between these two functions called. At this point, it will take around 30 milliseconds less than the normal function call. So the point is, inline function calls are performance efficient than the normal function call. Why inline function is faster? We will see that in next video.